Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm on video number 2 today because I said in the previous video that I got a whole lot of stuff in today. So now I'm going to be doing Topbox. And I would like you to subscribe, like, and hit the bell because you know you wanna see me, you wanna spend time with me. And if you don't, you feel obligated, or for whatever reason, you're related to me or something. But either way, it's all good. Keep coming back. Even if you're related to me and I annoy you, it's all good. It works for me. So, Topbox. Ooh, I didn't read my card for the IPSY. I knew I was missing something. Topbox is a Canadian monthly beauty subscription box, where you will get 4 full-size or premium sample size items. It costs $12 plus tax. I think it's $12.80 Canadian for me, which is around $9 US. And I have a link in the description down below if you would like to use it. Now, a few months ago, I had a Prive Topbox, and what that is it's like every month they offer 5 or more, I can't remember, I think it's 5 Prive boxes, and what they are is specific specialty boxes, and they tell you exactly what's in there. It's not a, I didn't know that you only got one because I didn't read what was in it. I just read NARS and I'm like, ooh, I like NARS, click. Didn't know it was one item. But one NARS concealer, which works awesome by the way, is worth a whole lot more than $12.80. It gets almost triple. So the boxes can be the same. Now you do fill out a beauty profile, but they can also be different. So I ordered Madison one because she often likes what's in them anyway, and so do I. I tend to keep a lot of stuff in them. So I figured I would order her one. Today it could all be the same stuff. It could be different, so we're going to find out. Plus it gives me 2 chances to get Prive boxes because they are random. You pick the ones you want if you want them. If not, you'll just get the regular box. And what happens is, if you get chosen, they tell you. So I didn't get chosen this month for either of us. So I got regular. I got the regular gift for me that I paid for. I always say that because it still confounds my brain that I'll pay for something. And there's what she looked like inside. Super duper pretty. Let's look at the other one and see if it's the same so we don't have to go through the whole rigmarole. Okay, there's a card on the top of this one. Yep, they're the same. So this is a card. This is the one subscription box that gives you no explanations for what the products are, which I kind of don't like, but oh, it's a 25% off coupon for Marula Buttercream. There's that. And you normally get a coupon for something. So I'll show you just in case. I think this is the other box. And there's that box. They're identical. So I will close it. Actually, I should make sure they're identical. I'll take out the first item and make sure. I think they are. Let me see. I'm just looking before I show it to you. Let's see. Yeah, they're the same. Okay, and I did get one of these in my Luxe box, but that's okay because it's really freaking awesome. I got the Brune nail polish. It's a different color than the one I got in my Luxe box. Actually, I got like a brown color, darker brown. And this one is in a pinky color. And it goes on one coat. It goes on nicely. It's very nice nail polish. I liked it a lot, so I am not disappointed. And this is an example of a full-size item that we got in our box. So there's that. So there's the Brune nail polish. The next thing we get, I think they put something on the website, but for some reason I don't get it. Because I noticed other people, I got it 1 month where I could look it up and then I could tell you, because it gave descriptions of everything. I got nothing like that this month. Maybe I got everything kind of early or something. It's so weird. So we got Yves Rocher I Love My Planet Gel Douche Concentrate. Concentrated shower gel. Oh yeah, douche is shower in French. 40 douches. 40 showers. I'm just being dumb. Ooh, ooh. And there's that. Let's smell it. Oh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that smells nice. It smells orangey. But it's mango. They don't taste the same, oranges and mangoes, but this is definitely mango. Mango. And coriander. That's a spice, but it smells good. I like it. I'm going to be keeping that. I like it. Ooh, something from Benefit. The one thing I don't do is brows. But I can't be mad. You know, like I said, it's not their fault. Give Me Brow Plus. I don't know what that is. But is it good, you guys? I don't know because I don't use it. It is like a little baby bottle. Benefit and Give Me Brow. Let's see, we'll open it. At least they got my color right, I think. Let's see. It's a little baby. Yeah, they did. So there you go. That's something we should check. Did they give Maddie the same? Because we are the same, generally speaking. How do you go? Is there a color somewhere on this baby? You know what? We'll just say, eh. Who knows? Who knows? I'll make sure that one goes over there. Okay, and the last but not least, we have... Ooh. And the reason I don't open mascaras often, you guys will be like, what the hell? Why doesn't she open mascara? Because, dudes, I got a lot. And at first I was opening them. And once they're opened, you can't give those to someone else. They'll be dried up and crusty before they get a chance. So I leave them done up. Unless there's something amazing that I'm definitely going to keep. I leave them closed. Black Magic. Let me see what's on the back. Ico Black Magic something something. Let's see. Maybe it's got some description on the back. This is dumb. Designed for after hours seduction. There you go, guys. I put this on. I'm going to be able to seduce my husband. Look at that. Creates drama, volume, and curl combined with an extreme carbon black water resistant finish. Damn, that's like some hefty claims. I'm going to have some black magic. Yeah, some black magic. I don't know what that means, but we'll go with the flow. This is good. This is good. This is good. And this is good. So I will say 444. Well, I don't know this if this is good. It could be crap, actually. I shouldn't say that it's good. I have no freaking clue. But I do know this nail polish is good. I have no idea if this is good. I'll just say it's good because it's Benefit, which is ridiculous. Because how the hell do I... It could be the worst eyebrow crap on the planet. Let me try it out. Let me see. Let's do one of my eyebrows. Then we'll know for sure. Right, boys and girls? Ugh. Let's find out. Because you can't endorse something if you haven't even tried it. Okay, I don't know how to use this. Ooh, that does make it go pretty fast though, not gonna lie. Wow, that's like pretty fast. You can just go ding, 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 ding. To cover up the gray ones. Let's see. Like, are you supposed to actually... I don't know. Shit. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I will say, I just did them very quickly. I don't know, guys. I think I really like that, actually. I might even start doing my brows with that stuff. That was just like zing, 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 and they actually do not look horrifying. I have one eyebrow that's super duper bushier than the other one. I don't get it, but whatever. And I'm way too lazy to go get them done. And I'm way too lazy to do it myself. So, and I can't see. You know, like actually the truth is I cannot see to pluck my own eyebrows. I can't see at all. If I get the mirror, the closest up type one, I can't see. Not properly. It's weirdly distorted and I just can't see. So I don't bother. I get it done at the salon every once in a while. Like I've done it once in my life. I don't do eyebrows. I'll just straight up admit it. They actually look pretty good. So I'm going to say I do like this actually. So other than this black magic that's supposed to be seductive and all that other good stuff. And of course I haven't actually tried this shower gel, but it smells nice. It does. Ooh. That's weird. It's got a lid on there, but it has nothing in here. So I'm happy with that. I mean, like I said, I only paid $12, right? And if you were in America, you'd only be paying $9. That's actually cheaper than IPSY. So, and I like this better than IPSY. I always have. I find the products are high quality. And I find I get a lot of repeats in IPSY, although I don't know about that. I'm going to have to check because I did get some repeats, but who knows. So there is a link down below if you would like to check out Topbox, if you would feel the, you know, that you would like to. It's only Canadian, sadly. Sorry. But hopefully my US friends still watch just because, you know, they love me because I love them. You don't have to watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling, and all that good stuff. And I have to go make another video, so I will say goodbye for now.